All right, welcome back to another video. We have another problem to fix in the household. Today we are going to be fixing this error message with our LG linear compressor refrigerator. This says ER1F code. And what does the 1F code mean? It is the ice maker fan. So what that means is probably from somebody leaving this open too long, or maybe like this, if you leave the door like that, the humidity goes in, starts building ice behind, and then a giant block towards the bottom where the ice fan is, and the fan stops turning, and then you get the error. So because of that, we get no water or ice coming out of the machine. So we got to get this fixed. So what we're gonna do is we got to get to the back where the ice fan is, which is back this way. So let's get in here. Let's dive into this. This tray here should what I need you to do is take each of these ice creams, put it in the freezer outside. So that's the top one's out. If you look down here, there's a screw, Phillips head, on the front and the back. That is what keeps this door in place. First, take this stuff out. Oh, you see ice there?
Yep.
Yep, so that is the problem. So we're gonna have to take that panel off right there. And I guess what I could do is just get away with taking this one drawer out. So let's go ahead and just get a screwdriver. Do that real quick. Probably on too fast. Let's turn that down a little bit. And now this whole tray, I'm gonna try not to touch the sides here because the rails are here. You're gonna get your hands all greasy, and the cold and the grease put together is not fun. So I'm gonna grab probably right here. So the key thing is you've got these little guides here. We're gonna slide up and out at the same time. And it comes right out. Can you tell I've done this before?
Yeah.
Let's see, this is probably the third time I've done this. All right, so you can see the ice back there. So I'm just gonna see if I can. All right, so that's all the ice there. Now, oh wow, I can't feel any, I definitely can't feel anything coming out of here, so it's definitely hung up. There we go. So what I did was I used this edge and my thumb. I went up into one of these vents and used my thumb to just use it as a lever. And then you can see how the whole thing will just come right down. Nice and easy. All right, now I gotta take this door out a little. Okay. All right, so one thing I'm gonna do carefully is I'm just gonna unplug this wire right here. See? Okay, got that one. And this last one, which I think is a clip. Oops. Okay. All right, let's clean this ice up before it melts. That means you. And now we're just gonna take this assembly out of here. Okay, let's see how bad it is. This actually doesn't look bad at all. Like, I don't really see any buildup. So I think we're good. All right, So I'm gonna plug that in. Hey, the fan's running. All right, plug this one in. Should go like, where is it? Like that. This one, oh, this one's short. Okay, so we just shorted it out. No problem. Okay. I'm gonna go to the bottom first, so you see you've got these little guides here. All right, now, this may take 2 people, because you can see. Okay, so I got the front end. I'm just gonna do this back part. Oh, you come out. There. This goes front first, and back. Front first. All done. That's how it's done. So that only took about, what, 15 minutes? And we're back in business.